Did you know that by the age of 70, your kidneys may have already lost 10 to 20% of their function, stressing the need of keeping them in top shape? Our kidneys are essential in filtering waste and poisons from our systems, but with our modern lives and environmental variables, it is more crucial than ever to care for them. In this video, we'll go over some practical and easy-to-follow techniques for improving your kidney health and general wellness. From adjusting your diet to adding stress reduction tactics, you'll learn 9 practical and easy-to-implement ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally in this video. Not only will you have a plan to support your kidney health and take charge of your overall well-being by the end of this video, but you'll be inspired by John's journey that led him to successfully avoid dialysis and improve his health using natural kidney detox methods. So, take a seat, unwind, and let's get started. Let us dispel some kidney health myths. To begin, there is no need for harsh therapies or costly supplements to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Second, renal health is vital for everyone, not just the elderly. Water consumption is essential for kidney health. Water aids in the removal of waste and pollutants, as well as the proper functioning of your kidneys. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day and on a regular basis. To maintain kidney health, limit your fluid consumption from other sources and drink plenty of water. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables can benefit your kidneys. Bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocados are high in potassium and can help regulate blood pressure and protect against kidney damage. Limit your intake of salt and processed meals, which can cause high blood pressure and strain your kidneys. Processed foods and added sugars are linked to a variety of health issues, including obesity, high blood pressure, and renal disease. Eat complete, unprocessed foods and minimize your intake of sugary drinks and desserts to help your kidneys. Physical activity is critical for kidney health. It promotes kidney health by improving circulation, decreasing stress, and maintaining a healthy weight. Most days of the week, aim for 30 minutes of physical activity such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Exercise also promotes emotional and mental wellness, which benefits kidney health. Smoking and drinking too much alcohol can harm your kidneys and raise your risk of developing renal disease. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health if you smoke. If you choose to consume alcohol, do it in moderation and always within the specified limits. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It will assist YouTube in reaching out to more people and raising awareness. Let's return to the video. Stress can cause kidney damage and excessive blood pressure. Stress reduction is critical for renal health. You can accomplish this by detecting stressors and efficiently managing them through strategies such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Exercise on a regular basis might also assist to relieve stress. Make a habit of doing something you enjoy. Dandelion root, nettle leaf, and goldenrod are some herbs and vitamins that can help with detoxification and kidney function. Before using any herbs or supplements, check with your doctor to ensure they are safe and acceptable for you. A good night's sleep is essential for renal and general wellness. To support your kidneys and live a healthy lifestyle, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Consider soft sheets, low lighting, and avoiding coffee, alcohol, and devices before night to create a pleasant sleep environment. Yoga and meditation can help you manage stress and increase circulation, both of which are beneficial to your kidney health. Consider taking a yoga or meditation class or learning these skills from internet resources. Including them in your everyday routine will help your kidneys and general health. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, there's always room to improve and expand your knowledge. Natural approaches, such as drinking enough of water, eating a healthy food, and exercising on a regular basis, are easier on the body and can be integrated into a healthy lifestyle for long-term support. These alternatives are also less expensive than medical treatments and may help with kidney health. Conventional medical therapies, such as dialysis, can quickly eliminate waste and toxins from the body and may be necessary for patients with advanced renal disease. However, these treatments can be time-consuming, costly, and have unintended consequences. It's critical to talk with a doctor to identify the best course of action for you, and to have your kidney function checked on a regular basis. When weighing detoxification and cleansing alternatives for the kidneys, it's critical to examine the advantages and disadvantages of each method. Natural approaches, such as drinking enough of water, eating a nutritious food, and exercising on a regular basis are generally easier on the body and can be incorporated into a healthy lifestyle for long-term support. They may, however, take longer to provide benefits and may be insufficient for people with advanced kidney disease. Conventional medical therapies, such as dialysis, are required for patients with advanced renal disease, but they are time-consuming, costly, and may have side effects. Let me tell you the story of John, a hard-working farmer from rural Kansas, whose resolve and commitment to bettering his health enabled him to avoid dialysis and motivate others to take control of their own health. John, 45, is a farmer from a tiny town in rural Kansas. As a farmer, he works long hours and frequently skips meals or eats fast cuisine on the go. He has a history of high blood pressure and type 2 diabetes, but he has not been properly controlling his conditions. John notes he's been feeling unusually tired and sluggish one day. He can't sleep at night and feels like he's in a daze all day. When he visits his doctor, he is informed that his kidneys are not working properly and that he may need to begin dialysis soon if he does not take action to improve his kidney health. This news has both stunned and terrified John. He doesn't want to start dialysis, which would require frequent visits to a hospital that's over an hour away. He chooses to look into natural kidney detox methods he can do at home. Following some online study and conversations with a few friends, John discovers a natural health practitioner in his region who specializes in kidney health. She suggests several home remedies to enhance his kidney function, including keeping hydrated and flushing out pollutants by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, eating a kidney-friendly diet rich in fiber and antioxidants and low in sodium, protein, and phosphorus, taking herbal supplements known to promote kidney health, such as milk thistle and dandelion root. Regular exercise, such as walking and stretching, can help to improve circulation and general health. Resting frequently to enable his body to heal and regenerate. John is initially skeptical, but he is willing to attempt anything to avoid dialysis. He begins by consuming more water and avoiding processed foods and red meat. He also begins taking the herbal remedies recommended by his natural health practitioner. Within a few weeks, he begins to feel more energized and his fog begins to clear. John decides to commit to the complete plan after being encouraged by the results. He begins to prepare more home-cooked meals high in fruits, veggies, and whole grains. He takes his herbal supplements every day and goes for an early walk around his property. He also consciously makes an effort to go to bed early and prioritize his sleep. Over the next few months, John's renal function begins to improve noticeably. His blood pressure and blood sugar levels stabilize, and he feels more alert and concentrated than he has in years. He's even been able to reduce some of his medicines with the help of his doctor. When John returns to his doctor, he is happily surprised to see that his kidney function has improved. His need for dialysis has been postponed, and his overall health has considerably improved. John is still following his natural kidney detox plan and is optimistic that he will be able to escape dialysis entirely in the future. He's thankful to the natural health practitioner who helped him get his health back on track, as well as the simple, effective techniques he was able to use from the comfort of his own home. Taking steps to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys is thus a proactive step towards better health. We hope this video has given you useful knowledge and insights to help you in your journey. So, how do you feel about this? Tell us in the comments. Remember to show your appreciation by clicking on the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for the next video.